How to edit in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit in Canva. In this video I will be showing you how to edit a logo, a video and a presentation. So let's start. First I'm going to show you how you can edit a logo. If you click on Create a Design here and select logo, you'll be redirected to a new page. And on the left you've got the menu and you can start with all kinds of templates. If you have a particular one you want to search, you can go to the search bar and just select the design you wish for. For now, I'm just going to select a logo. Let's say we want to edit this one. Click on it and it will be put into the design. But there are all kinds of things you can do to edit it. You can change the background color. You can do that by just clicking on the background. Go to the top here, you can change the background color. You can put it to white, whatever you want. You can even put in an animation if you want. You just click on it. Normally at the logo, if you have an online logo, you can click for an animation. Just look for the one you find tempting. Let's go for fun. Here you can select the timer. So it would say how long it will take for the animation, but that's not all what you can do. You can click on the logo and here you can edit the image. You can search for effects. Maybe you want to pixelate it. You can make it bigger or smaller by just clicking and dragging on the logo. You can flip it horizontally or vertically. Let's go back to none. Here you can create a border style if you want. Another animation for the selected video, position of it, transparency. As you can see now, if I click and drag to the left, it will become transparent. If you want to edit text, you can do that as well. If you want to change the text, you can just double click on it. And let's say we've got a brand name dedicated. Think Unlimited. Yeah, that's not bad. You can not only change the text, you can change the font. Over here on the left bar you will get all kinds of fonts. Just click on it and it will be changed directly. If you want to change the text color, you can change it, let's say, on the more black, or maybe want to make it yellow, whatever you want. And you can also add elements. You want to go to the left menu. And here there are all kinds of elements. You can search for specific ones. Sounds a little bit strange, but let's say we want to add this one. Just click on it. It's a little bit big, so we want to resize it again. I have it in the corner over here. And as you can see, there are more photos you can do. The next option, you can add text bars. Here are some default styles, a heading, a subheading, or just a little bit of a body text, or again, templates that you can use. If you're very artistic, you can go to the draw section and then you can draw your own logo in it. I'll give you a little example. You can just create one and here you can just play with the way you want to make your logo. Well, that's the first one. The second one, I'm going to show you how you can edit a video. So you want to again click on Create a Design and go to Video. As you do that, you will be sent to this page. And again, if you go to Upload, you can upload an own video or you can upload an already created design. Say we've created a design for running. But there are a few things you can do with the video. On the top of here, you can select how long you want the video to be. So I don't want it to be 22 seconds, I only want it to be 15 seconds. Select 15, click on Enter and click on Done. As you can see here now, it's only 15 seconds. And just play with all the options you've got in the toolbar. We've got the playback, we've got the crop, so you can crop it. Also the videos, you can just flip around. Vertically will be a little bit strange, but maybe for a commercial, who knows. For now, I'll keep it like this. I want to have it around to the front. Also here, you can just put in animations. Just look for the one you find best. Just a simple one. Sounds good to me. And also here, you can just add all kinds of elements, a text box, just the same as with the logo. If you want to add another scene, You can go here and you can click on Add Page, and there you have it. You have a new page and you can make unlimited pages. Maybe again go to Design. I want to use a different one. So for running, I would just select one. So as you can see here, there's this new one, and you can just play with it as well and create your own video. I am also going to show you how you can download it. You can download it by going to the share button. Click on download, and since it's a video, you want to click on the MP4 video. Here you want to select all the pages, as now I've created 5 pages, so we want to select them all. Click on done. Click on download, and then you can download your own video. Now the third one I want to discuss is how to edit a presentation. Again, if you want to go to presentation, you can click on create a design, select presentation, and you'll be sent here. And I'll be using a template for now. You can also upload your own. I have selected this one, and in one click I can just add all these in one. So I want to apply all 10 pages. And as you can see here, I've made a really quick presentation with all the 10 pages. And again, you can play with it as you want. You can, on the left here, add some elements. You can edit text. You can upload your own pictures and then put it in there. And that's not all. You can also alter it, just like I showed you with the logo and the video. For example, you want to change the color of the words off design. You click on off design, click on text color, and I want to make this blue. And I want to make it smaller than the principles. And if you want to change the background of the presentation, I haven't shown you that before, you can just scroll down here and select backgrounds, and there are all kinds of backgrounds you can use. If you don't have the option backgrounds, you can go to the left bar and click on apps and just search for backgrounds. Enter, and there you have it, the background. So by just clicking on different backgrounds, the background changes. Now, as you can see now, the principles aren't really clear, so I want to change the color to white. And you can also add in some animations. Again, the same way as you did with the others. Let's go for the disco this time. And you can do the same with all the pages. If you want to make the animation bigger or longer, you can go to edit timing and select the length of the animation you want it to be. And once you're satisfied with the presentation, you can also click on the share button, click on download. You can download it as a PDF. Just click on PDF standard. You want to select all the 10 pages. Click on download and your presentation will be downloaded. Well, in this video I've shown you how you can edit a logo, a video and a presentation. I hope it was helpful, and I want to thank you for watching.